Talk 4: Electrical hazards. Most of us understand very little about electricity. We flip switches, turn on lights, or start a machine. We change a bulb when it burns out. But beyond this, we know little about how electricity works. We take it for granted. It does many things for us easily. Many people think only high voltages are dangerous. But low voltages can also kill. 110 to 120 volts, or even 220 to 240 volts, are dangerous. Thousands die each year from electricity worldwide. Faulty wires and damaged equipment cause hundreds of thousands of fires. But it's not just electricity's fault. Unsafe actions often lead to accidents. Precaution can reduce risk. Some workers have died from as low as 46 volts. Any circuit with 46 volts or more is hazardous. When using drills, saws, grinders, or sanders, pay attention. It's not the voltage, but the current through vital body parts that matters. Even the current from a 5 or 10 watt bulb can be deadly. Your body condition matters. Sweaty hands, wet shoes, or standing on water increases risk. Working in wet or humid areas requires extra caution. Tools inside tanks, heaters, or buried pipes can create a path for electricity to flow through your body. Before plugging in equipment, ensure it is grounded. Portable tools usually have grounding built into the cord. 3-prong plugs and corresponding outlets indicate grounding. If missing, ensure grounding in another safe way. Always report frayed or broken cords. If you ever get a shock, report it immediately. Leave electrical repairs to qualified electricians. Use grounded equipment to avoid electrical hazards.